Hello Nigerians, welcome back again to Nigerian Presidential Election Results updates. So, much more states have been announced. The results from so many other states have been announced so far, and I am bringing you people the results. So we are starting with Enugu right now. So in Enugu, Bola Tinubu of APC got 4,772 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 428,640 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,803 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 15,749 votes. So in Enugu, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. So going away from Enugu, we go to Katsina State. In Katsina State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 482,283 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 6,376 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 69,386 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 489,045 votes, making Atiku of PDP the winner of Katsina State. So from there we go over to Yobe State. In Yobe State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 151,459 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 2,406 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 18,270 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 198,567 votes, making Atiku the winner of Yobe State. So from Yobe we go over to Gombe State. In Gombe State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 146,977 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 26,160 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 10,520 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 319,123 votes. So moving away from that, we go over to Kwara State. So in Kwara State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 263,572 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 31,166 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 3,141 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 136,909 votes, making Bola Tinubu of APC the winner of Kwara State. So from Kwara State we go over to Lagos State, the city state, the state of the city boy. So in Lagos State, Bola Tinubu got 572,606 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 582,664 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 8,442 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 75,750 votes, making Peter Obi of Labour Party the winner of Lagos State. So from Lagos State we move down to Ogun State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 341,554 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 85,829 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 2,200 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 123,831 votes, making Bola Tinubu of APC the winner of Ogun State. From there, we move down to Osun State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 343,945 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 44,405 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 930 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 354,366 votes, making Atiku Abubakar the winner of Osun State. So from there, we'll move down to Ondo State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 369,924 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 44,405 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 930 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 115,436 votes, making Bola Tinubu the winner of Ondo State. From Ondo State, we enter Ekiti State quickly, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 201,494 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 11,397 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 264 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 89,554 votes. So more votes are still coming. I think Rivers State will be announced next, but there are so many controversies. People are saying that Rivers State has been rigged totally. They are uploading the result sheets they have themselves, comparing it to what Rivers State, what they are announcing at the moment, and it is not even, corresponding. The rigging in Rivers State, according to people, is massive. It's insane. People are calling out. Even Labour Party, they have officially released a statement saying that these election results should be cancelled. The rigging is so much, according to paper, and it's glaring. People can see it. I don't know what you think about it. Drop your comment in the comment section and tell us what you think about this whole election so far, the results so far, while we await the next results to be released. Thank you for now.